Now for the next dish na gagawin natin, we're still going to utilize yung ating lamb. This time, yung mga tougher cuts yung kukunin natin. So, we have here the shank. And I'm also considering on using yung kanyang neck. So, for this lamb stew, we will be using dark beer. So, yung dark beer natin ang iniisip kong magtatago nung anggo na meron yung ating lamb. So, cut ko lang into portions. Now, if you're going to recreate this dish, definitely sa mga supermarkets, pre-cut na yung inyong lamb na mabibili. So, you don't have to go through this kind of hassle para lang makapaghain ng isang masarap na lamb stew. Hot pan, put in our butter. Ngayon, direkta ko nang ilalagay yung ating meat. Kung mapapansin niyo, malalaking tipak ito. So, matagal-tagal na cooking process ang mangyayari dito. That's why we're using our pressure cooker. We're going to pour in our dark beer. For those na hindi sanay gumamit ng alak or nag-aalala na pag gumamit sila ng alak eh baka malasing sila, don't worry po kasi the entire cooking process would easily cook off yung alcohol or any trace na meron doon sa ipanggagawa ninyo ng stock. So, safe na safe po yan. We're going to reduce this by at least half bago natin ilagay yung ating stock. So, once na na-reduce na natin yung ating serbesa, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating mga dried herbs. Let's start off with our rosemary, thyme, and dried oregano. Then, season lang din natin siya ng W sauce or Worcestershire sauce. And some soy sauce. Then, finally, yung ating stock. So, gagawin natin dito, ilalak na natin yung ating cooker. And then, after that, saka natin i-reduce yung pinaka-stock niya.
As we wait for the stock to reduce, ihanda na rin natin ang ating mga pansahog sa ating lamb stew, potatoes and carrots.
Five minutes ulit.